Yeah. What? What? The what? Yeah, get it. Be considered for somebody else, but get some. Alright, you got some fried chicken. Tell me, how do you fry your chicken? What do you use on your chicken? Alright, I'm frying this fried chicken. I got the pan up high. They say don't cook with the pan high, but this chicken is kind of big. The big ones. So I want to fry it a little bit. Tell me what y'all think about the fried chicken. Tell me what you thinking. Like when it sizzle like that, you know it's doing this thing, y'all. When they do this, okay, you know. You know. You know, baby. You know it's doing its thing. When this chicken is frying like this. Got the rice. Y'all know I like the yellow rice. I got the string beans over there. Yes, ma'am. And most of all, I got the mac and cheese for you. And I got the fried chicken. Tell me what you thinking.